of the Friends of Montpellier. I'm Virginia. It's my great honor to be the center of the performance this afternoon. First, please allow me to briefly introduce our group. We are from Taiwan, Republic of China, not part of mainland China. Taiwan is a beautiful subtropical island filled with God's blessings. The reason why we came a long way here is because we want to be a channel to bring God's blessings to those who are in need. Lord Jesus once said, "It's more blessed to give than to receive." During our short stay, as I have mentioned, we really enjoyed the warm atmosphere and the friendship here. With the dedication of Little Sisters of the Poor, it's just like a home with a big family here. Sisters take good care of everyone with patience and love. Everyone helps each other. We truly believe that is a big blessing to live with a small family here. Today, we'd like to take this opportunity to express our sincere homage to sisters. Salute to you, sisters. Well, due to limited time, let's start our program without further ado.